Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on Windows 10. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, we are gonna follow the method 1. Normally this is the recycle bin. Double click on it. And here you will see a list of deleted files. Look at the file you want to recover and then normally right click on it and select restore to recover it. And the file will be restored to its original location. Now, we're gonna go for method 2. So we'll use third-party recovery software. If the above method doesn't work, consider using third-party recovery software like Recuva. So normally open your web browser and you have to type on the address bar Recuva. Download it from the official website and click on this download free version. Click on download again. And after that, open that file, click on run, click on yes. Click on install again. Click on next, all files, next again, and click on start. Once the scan is complete, select the files you wish to recover and then you have to click recover. That's pretty simple. So these two methods are very effective. And now I'll talk about preventive measure. To avoid future data loss, you can back up your files all the time. I hope this tutorial helps you recover your deleted files. If this does, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.